What's up, everybody? It's your boy Terrence Trucker. You know who I am. I'm back with another video. Gonna be one of them short ones. I promise. It's gonna be short. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. I've had some people mention or ask, what's the difference between leasing a trailer, lease purchase, and just outright buying? Which one is actually better for you? Well, talking to an accountant, there's different levels of things, just like if you were to lease purchase a truck. Like Lone Mountain Leasing. A lot of people get their trucks from Lone Mountain Leasing. You lease the truck, yeah, you'll pay a little more for it, but you'll lease the truck. And then on your last payment, when you pay it, that's it. There's no balloon at the end of it, things like that. Your final payment, that pays the truck off. So the lease is actually written so that you're leasing the truck, but then when you decide to purchase it, every single amount of your payments that you've made towards the lease goes towards the buying of the trailer. So, like my trailer here, I've been asked about my trailer that I just got. A lot of people know there's a major backlog on trying to get a hold of trailers. Depending on which maker, there's like a year wait on a trailer. So my company actually had, Status Transportation, they actually had 4 brand new 2022 Wabashes sitting up in Indiana. They hadn't been picked up yet. So yeah, I was offered, hey, would you like one of those? So I took it. Now, it is a lease purchase. The way my lease is written, it states this is the total price of the trailer. This is your down payment on the trailer. Here are your monthly payments. Here's the terms of it. This many months. This is the payments. This is the total price. Here's your down payment. Every dollar amount, and it states in there, every dollar amount that I apply, including the down payment, goes towards the purchase of the trailer. So once I make the last payment, the trailer's mine. I own the trailer. Now, the downside is, until it's paid off, I can't modify the trailer. If you buy the trailer through a bank and get it financed through a bank, okay, well, you can do whatever you want with it. I mean, because there's no leasee. You're not leasing it, so there's not someone above you, just the bank who holds the note. But still, so that is one thing about lease versus purchase. Purchase straight through a bank and getting a loan for it, then bam, you're good. You can do whatever you want with that trailer. Whereas I want to put aluminum rims on it. I can't put aluminum rims and get rid of the steel rims until it's paid for. I wanted to put a right weight air scale system on so I know what the trailer weighs. Trailer axles. Can't do that until it's paid for. So, I can't add these additions that's going to actually make the trailer better. Even though it's going to improve the value of the trailer, I was told I can't do that until it's paid for. So that's lease versus purchase. Now here's another thing. A lease. When you lease equipment, you can write off 100% of the payment. So if you pay on this thing for 5 years, you're writing off 100% of your payments for 5 years. Now when you buy it, and it's a purchase, not a lease purchase, you can only depreciate it. So tax write-off wise, you're actually better off on a lease purchase as opposed to a downright just flat out purchase, because you'll get more write-off with the amount of the payments than you will off the actual depreciation of the trailer. So that's something to consider also. Especially if you plan on, keeping the trailer. I mean, if you're only going to keep the trailer for, 1-2 freaking years, then yeah, you're better off depreciating it. Then you get all your money out at the beginning, and then you freaking get rid of it. But who's going to only keep a trailer for just a couple of years? Most people are going to want to keep their trailer, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years. Because trailers can hold their value, and trailers are pretty good. So, you can only depreciate it if you own it, but you can write off 100% of the payment on your taxes if you purchase it. So that's one of the things about lease purchasing something versus outright buying. If I keep looking here, that's because I'm at a dock unloading, so I keep looking for the light. I can keep looking. I'm unloading railroad car bearings for a place here in Moody, Alabama to refurbish, fix up, and send back to the rail yard. But yeah, so I'm not really disappointed with getting a trailer like this because I can write off 100% of the payments. The only thing that disappoints is the fact that I would eventually like to put aluminum rims, and I would like to put an airway system immediately. I'd like to at least put a scale back there so I know exactly what this trailer weighs. I mean, the only thing you're doing to the trailer, you're putting one T in an airline. I mean, you're putting a T in the airline, and then you're running the tube, and then you're mounting a box on the frame. That's it. That's the only modification you're really doing to the trailer. You're teeing into an airline on the airbag. So you're not really hurting the trailer at all. You're not really, going crazy with it. You're putting a T in an airline, but policy's policy. If that's what they say, then fine, so be it. I mean, I'm one to, I do like to buck the system here and there, but when it comes to, big policies, hey, if that's their thing, and I'm actually benefiting by, I'm getting my own trailer, I'm getting extra 10%, and it's a brand new, not used, I'm not going to buck the system. I'm not going to complain. So, anyway, y'all, that is the difference between lease versus purchase. I hope y'all got some valuable information on that. If so, leave some comments below. Be sure y'all like, subscribe, share my videos, y'all. I need to trigger the algorithm. Share these things, y'all. Hit that like button. But in the meantime, y'all give Jesus Christ all the glory. He's allowed you to wake up and actually watch this video. Without him, nothing is possible that I've done. I give him credit and glory for everything that's happened in my life, the bad and the good. The bad happens so that you can learn from it and you can build up for the good. So you appreciate the good things that he does give you. So, hey, Jesus, I appreciate everything you've done. Y'all give him all the glory, and we will holler at y'all later. Peace out.